Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the new Crypto Black. Guys, I've been waiting on this coin to drop, this token, shall I say, to drop ever since April. If you guys are in the DCG chat, I did. I said, man, I'm waiting on this since April, and I think it's a really good, in my opinion, I think it's a good buy right now at this point. I think it's the whole hype with Shiba and everything like that. I think it was really good. I think this coin is really good. I think leash is gonna be pretty good as well. I just really don't like too much shit coins, but just the concept and getting passive income, I think is really good. And Shiba been around. Shiba been around for almost a year now. Shiba been around for almost a year. The hype has been late, but Shiba been around for almost a year. So it has been sitting around, has been stood the test of time. It's not one of those things where, they want to take the money and run. So I do feel a little comfortable with Shiba and doing different things, providing liquidity or staking and everything like that with Shiba. So let's get right into it, guys. We're gonna go right to Shiba. So with ShibaSwap, we had the token Bone, right? So Bone is down actually 16.9% for the day, but Bone has been out. Bone been out for a little bit, not too long. But Bone has been out. Let's go check out the overview of the market. Bone has came out, and Bone, I think all-time high Bone has been 11 days ago, was $15.50. So it's down 78%, 78.1%. But we know how the market has been lately, as of lately. So I think right now, personally, is a good time, good entry at $3.36 to hop in to Bone. Now, full disclosure, I did just buy Bone over here on ShibaSwap, and I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. So first thing you want to do, guys, you come over to ShibaSwap. As you guys can see here, you see ShibaSwap, the price ShibaSwap, price of leash, as well as the price of Bone. Leash don't have that many supply. So owning one leash could be pretty good for you if you want to take that chance. I'm not telling you what to do, but I think you should at least get your hand on some Bone or buy some leash, buy some Shiba for, just to see how this project is going. All right. So, we all have some nice gains, man, over the year, over this past year, over the last 6-7 months. Even if you're brand new to cryptocurrency, you have some good gains from all the other coins we're going up. Even though we're down right now, we're so up that when we're down right now, we're not really down. So guys, you want to come over here and look and see, you want to connect your wallet. So you see different prices here. You connect your wallet right here. And then you have MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or Wallet Connect. It'll tell you there. You connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, then you're able, and this is my test wallet. So you guys want to play around, don't try to play around too much. This is my test wallet. So if you want to come, you come over here, and then you can provide liquidity over here, as you can see right here. It's very simple, straight to the point. Provide liquidity, click on that. You can create your pair, provide your liquidity. All right. So you have Ethereum, or if you want to have you provide it with Bone, then you pretty much make sure you max out how much you got in regards to, let's say you got Bone, or you got Ethereum, or you got whatever. You pretty much make sure it's even. All right. And then remember, you do have a permanent loss when you're dealing with providing liquidity. So if one is going the other price, one price is going down, the other one, staying stable, going up, then you can have a permanent loss, meaning that, let's just say Bone is going down, Ethereum staying the same or going up. You using your Ethereum to buy more Bone, you can go have a permanent loss, and it can keep going down. You know what I mean? So that's this type of thing right there. It's like you're going down with the ship. So you can have a permanent loss like that, all right? And then eventually you're down to zero or down to close to nothing, all right, with a permanent loss. And you pretty much go right here, you click right here, approve, and then you go right there. I'm not providing liquidity, not yet, on this right here, but I will be staking. I like this to stake. That's just my thing. I like staking. Also, guys, you can look around. I'm not gonna go over every single thing on this here, but what I do like here, swapping. So you want to come over, you want to buy some Bone, you come over, click swap. Then just like Uniswap or Pancake Swap or anything like that, it's the same exact thing. If you did one guy, you did did them all. You know what I mean? I've been on Matic. I've been on Polygon Matic Network. I've been on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, 1inch. They all the same. They all look the same. So copy code. That's all I'm gonna say. Copy coded dexes. That's all I'm gonna say. So you come over here, guys. You can if you come to either you can come over to CoinGecko, copy the contract, or like for Bone, for example, it's already there. You can type it in. You with the USDT, USDC. Then if it's a coin you want to buy, like specific, I say I want to buy Bone. I can just pretty much take my Ethereum and buy more Bone, right? And then come right down here. And then also it's the same, guys. If you want to change your slippage, you can change your slippage right here. And then you come right down here and you swap. It's very simple. It's the same exact thing that you do with Uniswap, with PancakeSwap, everything. Quick swap, 1inch, whatever you want to do. What I think also is pretty cool here, you can do analytics. All right, so analytics, you come back, click on analytics, open up a separate page. Okay, as you guys can see right here for analytics, and then you can guys go right over here and look at the analytics. Look at the analytics and see, okay, what's going on. You can see the growth, the liquidity. You can see the volume. You know what I mean? You can do it for 1 week. You can do it for all, whatever you want to do, okay? You can see liquidity coming in for here, actually going down a little bit, slightly, but we know how the market has been. So, I think, in the next few days, as it was written, that's all I'm going to say, that we probably see some more liquidity coming inside here, okay? And so this is just something you can look down and see, okay, all the different things here inside ShibaSwap, what's going on with ShibaSwap, recent added pools. So you can see, okay, what's going on. Is more people buying more and more Bone, or buying, in the pools, how the pools are growing, what's the best pools, what pools is not that much, and you probably want to hop in, you get a bigger percentage. The pool you probably want to stay away from. You say, you know what, it's just too much money in that pool. I'm not getting nothing out of it. So those type of things you can look at over here in analytics and ShibaSwap analytic pools. But what we're doing today, guys, also here's another one too, is where you can actually say wolf your returns. So stake your ShibaSwap liquidity pools. You can stake that right here. You click here, whatever liquidity pool you got, then you can pretty much stake that liquidity pool as well. So I think it's a pretty good concept. Getting 361% APR. So a percentage rate. So you be able to get that right there on Bone with Wrap ETH or Leash with Bone. But guys, remember, whenever you're doing liquidity, providing liquidity, remember you can suffer impermanent loss. All right. So those type of things you want to look out for when you're providing liquidity. I'm not saying run from it, be scared. I'm just trying to let you know. All right. So right here it says bury ShibaSwap. Shibas love to bury what they find. So kind of like a dog, you know what I mean? You're gonna bury your bone. And then so you can stake your tokens to gain returns. So we already bought 100, in our test, bought 100 Bone, and right now we'll come and bury our bones, right? We'll come bury our bones, APR 144%. But just let everybody know, disclaimer right here says ShibaSwap allows you to stake your token to earn wolf returns proportionally to your contribution to the pool. When you stake Shiba, Leash, or Bone, you will receive X Shib, X Leash, or T Bone. Those tokens represent your share of the pool. Now, returns are distributed weekly. Now, disclaimer right here: maximum return by leaving tokens staked. The longer you tokens are in the pool, the more returns you receive, whereas frequently staking and unstaking will lower your long-term gains. Now, there's a mechanism to ensure fair return distribution among the holders that functions independently for XG, blah, blah, blah. Now, remember, you can claim 33% of your wolf returns weekly. Now, it's going to be paid out weekly. But, here's the but. The remaining 67% will be time locked for 6 months. So earning, just pretty much, if you're gonna be looking to earn or stake your coins, you want to get your earning out less than 6 months, then you're looking at about 33%. And 67%, the remaining 67% will be locked for 6 months. See what I'm saying? So your returns. So you don't get the other 67% of your returns until after 6 months. That's just something to think about and something to look at. Now I don't see where they're saying they locking your actual bone up for 6 months, but the rewards are locking. I don't like locking my coins up. So, and I don't see where it's saying, now let's click that button here and we can stake it. So it says bone APY 37.62, a bone APR 144.03. So it's telling you total value lock right now. And we have 100 right now on our test wallet. So let's go over here. And I don't see anything where it says it's going to actually lock your coins up. So all we do, come over here, you type in whatever you want. You can do 25, you can do 50, you do 50%, you can do 75%, we'll do 100%, right? And then you click approve, come over here, you pay a little fee, and then we wait. And then all we do, we wait for everything to go get approved through MetaMask, through the blockchain and everything. And then once it's approved, we'll sit back, relax, start earning our rewards. And then every single week, we're able to actually, you can pay 2 fees. So you can go and approve it, and then you can pay 2 fees here. And then there you go. We're gonna stake it, and we all set and ready to go. That's the only thing about it. That's why I love Matic and PancakeSwap. You're not paying all these fees, man, when you're staking and unstaking and doing what you want to do. But Ethereum is Ethereum. Ethereum is the crown jewel. I started all this, so you gotta roll with the punches. That's all I'm gonna say. And then you start getting paid out. So let's just wait on this right here and see how it's all roll out. And then we sit back, relax, and start, getting our money, start getting our moolah. All right, enter dog yard, blah, 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 blah. So it looks like we should be staked. And yeah, total buried 99.96. So like we should be staked. I ain't got no rewards so far. Let me see right here. So unstake. There we go. So we are staking. We are in the dog yard. Bow, wow, wow. Yippee, yo. Yippee, yay. All right. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learn a little something, something here. Wish you guys Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. We'll see you guys next video. Shout out to everybody in my DCG family. We out of here, baby. Peace.